Hi everyone, it's Miss Juliano again, and I missed everyone so much today. Since we're no longer meeting on Zoom, I'm going to show you how you access our Google Meet, which is going to be our new spot to meet for morning meeting and for our Wednesday publishing party. I'm going to click on our classroom, and this is me logged in as a student. And then I'm going to go to our classwork tab, and over here where it says Google Calendar, click on that. It brings you to a new tab, and you'll see the different assignments. This is a good place to find things that are due, and if I ever schedule another meeting, it will be here. And I click on the meeting, and it says Join Hangouts Meet. So I'm going to click on it. And even though it's from 9 to 9:30, I'm just going to show you how you can get into the meeting. But remember, I won't be here until 9 o'clock, and neither will your classmates. Oops. So this is also good because I need to make sure this is in Google into Chrome. So what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can copy and paste it. And here I am. And I would this screen comes up, and if you wanted to join, this is where you can mute yourself, turn off microphone, unmute. This is the camera on and off. And this is where you would hit join now. And this is other audio options. Okay guys, so I'm looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow in our Google Meet. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.